Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Apple ID from any iPhone without a computer. So guys, if you want to remove Apple ID from any iPhone without a computer, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. All you have to do is that simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. And if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back and then go to your profile and then scroll it below all the way, and here you can see you can sign out or remove your Apple ID from here. Simply tap on sign out, and after this you can choose erase this iPhone or sign out but don't erase. Here I am signing out without erase, and then here you will have to simply tap on continue and then select your account, or you can tap on continue from here. And here you can see it is asking for the password, and if you don't have the password, simply tap on forget password button and reset the password of your Apple account for one time as well. Or either you have to simply enter your password from here. Simply enter the password and tap on confirm and sign out, and after this your Apple ID will be removed from your device, like without any using a computer. So as you can see this, there is no option which you can use to remove Apple ID from any iPhone with a computer. So as in this way you can also remove your Apple ID from your iPhone without a computer. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.